Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Sprotbrough Falls. Just thought we'd have a look round, see how things are looking now spring's on its way. You can hear it, waterfall, that way is it, over the falls. Yeah, it's looking good. We'll have a walk down this way anyway, see what we can see. Yeah, last time I come here was last year sometime. Yeah, look at this little boat here, look, called the Grebe. It's tiny, look, compared to these. So yeah, just on the other side of this canal there's the river, I can't remember what you call it, river. The bridge over there, look, which takes you through to, I think it's Conisbrough Way, Edlington Way. Ooh. Bloody hell, I slipped then, nearly fell in. You might be able to hear Buddy down there as well. He doesn't like being away from me. So yeah, just down here, there's an old water mill, which we can take a look at. All cogs and that are still there. Slipping all over here. Are you waiting for me, bud? I think these boats here pick all scrap up and rubbish out at canal. Look at this little stream here. There's a duck down there, look. There's a little stream there, can you see it? Little outlet. Let's have a quick look round here, look. I can hear you, bud. You don't like being away from me. Don't come in. Oh, look at this. Yeah, just down there is the old water mill, and then you can get into like an outbuilding there. We'll have a look anyway. Well, that's a shame. They've put a gate up, look, so you can't get in. Bloody hell, last time I come that weren't there, you could just go straight through. Let's have a look. I don't know if you can see cogs from here. Just there, look. That's a shame, that. I don't think you're going to be able to read that because it's too shiny. Yeah, look. Some more pipe work there, look. So this site contains the relics of a water pump, constructed 1700s. So yeah, it's quite old, isn't it? I mean, I get why they don't want people going in there, but I'll try and I'll put my other video in description, the link. It's where I did a silent walk round here, and I did actually go in there and into outbuilding, so you might be able to see it on that one. But yeah, it's getting like this everywhere though, isn't it, in England? They don't want you looking at out, going into anything. Yeah, it's a shame. But if you look at all the rubbish, people leaving crap about's not going to help, is it? But never mind. So yeah, check the other video out, guys. I think it's only about 20 minutes. So if you want to, like I said, look at that, you can just watch that one. You can hear birds. You've got motorway over there, look. Let's have a sit and see what it's what view's like from here. Right, we'll head back to Sprotbrough Falls. We might have a walk past the pub, see what's beyond there, and then we'll have a walk round Sprotbrough Falls pub itself. Are you happy now? Eh? You're crying for me, aren't you? Right, come on then. He likes to be in front. Yeah, there's plenty of seating areas if you want to come down. And this, I know for a fact, is definitely wheelchair accessible. Yeah, you can come through here, look. Park up here. And then obviously you can get a chair through here, look. And take you straight down there where we've just been. Or you can go right. So right, we're going to have a walk around Boat Inn. I know if you go down here, there is a nature reserve. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's something like Sprotbrough Falls or something. I can't remember. But yeah, you can come down here. There's a car park in there. Oh, I didn't know you could get up there as well. Yeah, look how old this building is. I'll have a walk around here and then I'll meet you back down there. I'll just take you guys around here. Let's have a quick nosy. It looks like it were an old farm down here. Yeah, let's have a quick look round here, look.
Shut up.
Yeah, dog friendly as well, so you can actually bring your dogs in here. Yeah, what a stunning place. It's bigger than what you think as well. When you're at the front, it don't look as big. Got all these little outbuildings here, look. Toilets in there. Three courses, £32.50. Now I don't know the history of this because I don't really talk about history with videos. Easier just to go on Google, isn't it? I think we can go down this way. OCD. Oh, there you are, look. What we've got here, monthly charity walk, first Saturday of the month, 9:15. Yeah. Wow, look at that tree there. Bloody hell. Any idea what this building is? It's not connected to them.
Oh, it is. It's the boat in.
Oh, is this the boat in?
Yeah, you can see the bar from that window.
Ah. Wow. All this flooded at one time, you know.
That way or that way?
Rolls Royce over there. I don't know if you can see it. Interesting. I thought they were just cottages then. We're not going to go too far. I think after this we're going to go to that church in Sprotbrough and have a look around there. Put that on a separate video. I think this is called Sprotbrough Falls, you know, I can't remember. But just over there there's a big lake, nature reserve thing. Oh, it's warming up again. I always put too thick of stuff on and I end up sweating. Yeah, I love coming out to places and just having a random walk. You just don't know what you're going to see, do you? Ah, here we are, look. Yeah, Sprotbrough Falls. I'll try and bend it over because it's on a gimbal, you see, pocket free. So where that's built in, where here, look, so you can actually carry on all the way down there. I think we'll do that another day. Looks like a mile or so. Yeah, there's a building, there's a... we'll go into there, look. There we are. And see what we can see through there. But yeah, we'll come back and do that. Yeah, it's just here, right here, look. Oh, we've got snakes here in summer, look. Buzzards. Oh, interesting. Interesting. There's not much to see because I'm on my gimbal. Yeah. Absolute haven for bird watchers. No access beyond this point. That wind's picking up again. I don't know if it's going to mess up my mic again. Yeah, you need a proper DSLR camera and stuff like that. I'm surprised it's clean here, you know, because normally with stuff like this, especially like the one at Denby, there's dodgy going-ons in that one. We'll just go 100 yards and then we'll turn back. Yeah, it's just going to be like this all the way down there now. I think we'll come back and do this walk when it's warmer. Right, we'll head to that church and I'll put that on a separate video. Right, I think we'll leave video there, guys. Nice walk that, actually. Like I said, we'll come back and do the rest of this. Looks like it's a mile or two. This is the thing with Doncaster, there's loads and loads of rivers and canals. The problem is with them, once you've walked 300 yards, it's going to be the same for another 2 miles, you know what I mean? There's not much difference in how things look. So, right, I think we're going to go to that church, have a little walk around there. I'll put that on a separate video. So, once again, I want to thank everyone for liking, commenting, and especially subscribing to the channel. Channel's picking up now again, thank God, because it went dead for about 2 or 3 months. So, we'll keep going, see how the channel goes, give it over the summer. Like I said, I'm not just going to stick to filming swans, I'm not just going to stick to filming woodlands. I want to stick to nature, do the odd churches, castles, old buildings, some urban walks, just mix it up a bit. You know what I mean? If you don't want to watch any urban walks, just, you don't have to watch them, you know what I mean? You watch whatever you want. But you get a lot of people unsubscribing because you put a different video on. Strange. But anyway, enough rumbling on. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Catch you later.